God, it's bigger than I thought. Looks like it's been here forever. The corrosion is severe. Those ventilation grills look structurally compromised. The hub's corroded. Look at the wear on this tire.
What's the damage, Mira?
It's sunk deep. We'll need a winch and new tread. The heavy armor is layered with weld seams here.
Yeah.
These bolts are exposed, possibly maintenance access. God, it's even worse up close. Think you can fix it?
Secure the chains on the port side.
Check the tension on the straps.
Ready to engage the winch.
Synchronize, pull now, pull, come on. It's moving, keep it going. We got it, she's breaking loose. Nice work, everyone. Keep tension on the line.
Pull, keep it steady, she's moving.
Steady as she goes.
Yes, she's free, excellent work. Keep it slow, watch the ramp.
Almost there, steady.
Perfect, secure it.
Straps are tight.
All right, let's see what's underneath all this. There's the rust. It's in bad shape. Almost got it all. God, this thing is filthy. Ugh. Just a little more pressure. All right, let's see what this stuff can do. Watch it work, old girl. Get in there, break it down. All right, time for the heat. Moving to the undercarriage now. This rust is stubborn. All right, this looks worse than I thought.
Think it's salvageable?
We'll need a lot of elbow grease. All right, you monster. This armor isn't gonna remove itself.
Keep going, Mira. Just a few hundred more.
Ha, funny. I've got all night. Almost there, okay. Now, there. Just gotta get this to the ground.
Slings attached.
Tensioning now.
Stop tension. Hold.
Clear to lift.
Affirmative. Lifting.
Steady. Lift it slowly.
Keep it centered.
Stop. Hold it right there. Clear. Bring it down. All right, you old beast. Don't you dare give up on me. Finally. One down.
All right, final bolts. Easy now.
Clear. Rolling it back slowly.
Check those connectors, Mira. Got it. Looks good. Moving it out.
Okay, hoist is engaged. Easy now. Let's get it up there. Yeah, that's it. Keep it coming. Wow, look at that beast. God, this is stubborn. Get in there. Almost. Finally. That should do it. All right, you old beast. Don't think you're going anywhere. Almost got it. Just gotta lean into it.
Hooks are secure. Ready to lift. Clear lift. Clear lift.
Hold. Take up the slack. Slow lift. Easy, easy. Perfect. Hold it right there. Keep it steady. Watch the coolant lines. Slowly.
That's it. Clear of the chassis.
Perfect. Move it to the designated space. All right, easy does it. Watch the alignment on the arms.
Got it. Slow down.
Good. Now, let's get these tightened down properly.
Yes, ma'am. Locked and loaded. All right, lowering it down. Initiating contact. Stand back. Whoa, that's fast. Keep it steady. It's working. Pull it up slowly.
I think that's got most of it. Look at those teeth shine. All right, let's see what we've got here. Whoa, that's a beast. Perfect. Perfect, just as specified. Perfectly executed, just what the beast needs. The core width is exactly 30 inches.
Yeah.
And the mounting bracket, checking the chassis specification.
Yeah.
Perfect, within tolerance. It's a precise fit. Precision machined. Ready for installation. This will hold the power. Perfect. 0.002. Just what we needed. Almost there. Just a little more. Verified. Good job. All right. Clear as a mirror. Good.
Now for the new seal.
Precise fit. All right, first stud in, just 300 foot-pounds to go. Torque's good. Move to 0.2 on the sequence. All right, new spring, new seal. Time for the test. All right, over we go. Just one more pass to be sure it's perfect. Almost there. Got to get every bit of this grime. Perfect. Now that's a clean seal. All right, time for the new beast to breathe. Perfect fit. Just need to connect these lines, no margin for error, and installed. She's ready to roar. Torque check, yes, and sun.lot locked. Next, final check, good. Another row secured. Solid. Almost there, just a little more. Line up, perfect. Secure, done. Almost there, just a little more. Verified, high torque specifications met.
Keep it steady, left side. Right there.
Easy.
Stop, we're in position.
Line it up with the studs. Watch the angle. Perfect, hold it right there.
Got it, looks good.
All right, lock it down. All right, let's get you topped off. There we go. Proper lubrication, ready for anything. Line it up, guys, slowly.
Ready?
Just a little lower. Perfect.
Got it.
Nice. Now, let's get it locked. Almost there. Just a little more. Torque set. Finally. Time to fix this beast. This filler should hold. All right, let's get this rust monster patched up. All right, perfect. Every speck is gone. Perfect viscosity. Ready for application.
The cargo compartment is now fully saturated.
Perfect, deep and vibrant.
All right, first coat down. Looking good. Time for the second. All right, time for the final pass. Looking sharp. Impressive work, Mira. The depth on this green is incredible. Just need to refine the gloss here.
Looking good, Mira.
Almost done, then it'll really shine. All right, slowly does it. Adjust the angle. Just a little more to the left. Perfect. And set. It's in. Almost there. Aligning the pins. Okay, easy now. There. Perfect. Torque specified. Next. And done. Perfect. All right, these fuel lines are in. Just need to tighten this AN fitting.
Sure.
Perfect. Leak-proof seal, ready for the final tests. Keep it steady, down slow, align it left. Just a little more, left, good, stop, hold it right there. Clear, lower it, steady, good, okay, we got it. Keep it steady, down another few inches, looking good, slow, slow, hold it right there, perfect, engage the lock.
Secure the bolts.
Nice work, team, we got it. The beast awakes.
Digital diagnostics. Fuel pressure check. Engine engaged.
Fire in the hole. Yeah, finally. All right, big girl. Time to wake up.
Give it everything you've got.
Oil pressure stable. Coolant temperature normal. All systems are ready.
Engaging heavy-duty transmission. Preparing to exit.
Clear the tarmac. The armored Titan is on the move. Engaging drive.
Copy. Accelerate on my mark.
Mark. Initiating sequence. Maximum thrust engaged.
Wow. Look at that. We did it.
Incredible.
It's perfect.
All right, crew, we did it! Yeah! Woo! Look at her go! Perfection!